Hello and welcome back, and in this video we are going to be looking at Flyover Map using MapKit in SwiftUI. So MapKits and Apple Maps provide ability to fly over major cities and landmarks. Flyover feature is interactive and it responds to pan, zoom, and rotate around the landmark. We use satellite flyover map type and MK-map camera to build flyover feature. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Since we are using SwiftUI and SwiftUI's map view does not support camera yet, we will cross over to the UI kit side and bring the functionality over via UI view representable. We will create a map view conforming to the UI view representable protocol. Let's go ahead and create a new file, and we're going to call this file map view. We're going to import MapKit and going to create a struct called MapView. Let's also import SwiftUI. We're going to conform this. We're going to make sure that MapView conforms to UI view representable protocol. And then we're going to create a few parameters. We need a CL location distance, which is basically going to be used while we are setting the map view. There are a couple of other parameters that we're going to set, which is going to be used with the map camera. So let's go ahead and set that as CG float value, and we're going to set the value as 400. Heading is going to be another variable used while setting the camera and the region for the map kit. And for the coordinate, we're going to basically choose the Statue of Liberty. So we're going to grab the coordinates for Statue of Liberty, and that's what we're going to create a CL location coordinate 2D. Alright, so there are two functions that we need to build in order to provide the definition of, in order to basically build or conform to the UI view representable protocol. The view type is going to be MK map view type. All right, once we have the UI view type defined, we're going to basically add the functions that we need. I'm going to grab all these variables and type aliases and going to put them at the top. All right, so distance, pitch, and heading, they are required by MK map camera. MK map camera is a virtual camera for defining the appearance of map. The initializer that we're going to use is going to basically have center coordinate, which is going to be the coordinate point on the map where the camera should be centered. The distance, essentially the line of sight distance for the camera to center the coordinates on the map. Pitch, which is the viewing angle of the camera measured in degrees. The value of 0 results camera pointing straight downward at the map, and angle greater than 0 results in a camera that is pitched towards the horizon of specified number in degrees. Heading is the basically heading of camera measured in degrees is relative to true north. The value 0 means the top edge of the map view corresponds to the true north. The value of 90 means top of the map pointing due east. The value 180 degrees means top of the map pointing due south. Alright, so let's go ahead and create our view. We're going to create our map view first. And we're going to take our map view and define the map type. The map type is going to be satellite flyover. And then we're going to create variable for camera or camera object. We're going to use MK Map Camera, and we're going to look for the initializer, which is looking at the center from distance with pitch and heading. Alright, so we have everything that we need in these variables. So we're going to say coordinate is going to basically provide the center coordinate. From distance is going to be provided by the distance variable. Pitch is defined in pitch. And then we have heading, which is defined in heading. Once we have the camera object created, we're gonna go back to our map view and set its camera to the camera object that we have just created. And we're gonna return the map view. All right, that's about it. So we have created our custom map view with a flyover camera looking over the Statue of Liberty. Okay, so let's go ahead and use this inside our content view. So we're going to head over to our content view, and we're going to use map view just like so. We want to make sure that we ignore all the safe areas, and there we go. We are seeing the Statue of Liberty, and if I try to zoom in a bit, so it looks a little bit, okay, so it looks a little bit flat. So let me go ahead and run this inside the simulator, maybe for a better experience. All right, so our view is going to load, and let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit more. And if I pan, all right, so I had to basically pause the video to see what the issue is, and I didn't see any issue, but I actually cleaned and rebuilt, and that actually launched this view. So basically there was an issue with the rendering in the simulator, and now you can see the flyover map. So as you can see, if I zoom in, I can see the Statue of Liberty in a 3D view. Okay, so this is the flyover view that we were just talking about. Let me see if I can actually rotate. So as you can see, now you can see the Statue of Liberty in a flyover camera view. All right, so once again, I simply clean build, and that actually helped going from this view to the view that we are looking at. So let me go ahead and resume here as well, and as you can see, now everything is loading just fine. All right, so with that, we have reached the end of this video, and thank you so much once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in another SwiftUI video. Thank you.